guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be my beginner's guide to curling your hair. Now, if you're anything like me, I never knew how to curl my hair. I'd always see these girls that go out and look amazing, and I was like, they must be literally going to the hairdresser all the time to get this done. And it's one of those things that I'd always wanted to know how to do, and just I couldn't get it. I literally watched so many YouTube videos. Now, everyone definitely has their own way of how they like to curl their hair, which I completely understand. So one day I was like, no, I am going to figure this out. I am going to just work it out and learn how to curl my hair. So I watched heaps and heaps of YouTube videos, and from there I have basically created my own way to curl my hair. I get so many compliments about how I do my hair every time I do it like this. Now, I find it super easy, and it's also now one of those things that is like so quick. I can curl my hair quicker than straightening it sometimes. Like, it is crazy. So if you want to know how I curl my hair, definitely keep watching. So basically all I use is a GHD hair straightener, which is super dirty. Oh no, super dirty. This is so old. Like, I've had this for like, I don't know, 10 years or something. A hairbrush, and if you want hairspray as well. Now, my trick, which I will share everything with you today. My trick is to have your hair straightened. So do this the night before, half an hour before, like, just make sure your hair has been straightened beforehand and it's not hot still. So you just need to give it enough time to cool down, which I find is a game changer for me, and it completely changes the way my hair looks. So all I do is section my hair into two parts, so literally two sides. Now, I know for you guys it's probably easier if I start from the front and go to the back, but I always start from the back and work to the front. So I'm going to do that. But just make sure you brush your hair, you get your part where you want it. Now, I have a mirror here, so if I look down, I'm just looking in the mirror. So make sure your hair's brushed and there's no knots or anything like that. Now, at this point, you can clip your hair, you can do whatever. So I'll just do a little tie up one side, but it's completely up to you. So all you want to do, grab a piece of hair. Look at my regrowth. Grab a piece of hair, you know, I don't know, centimeter. Oh, it's probably more. 3 centimeters of hair, but quite thin, and clamp it on the end and slowly turn, and you're basically going to end like this, and then you can hold the end. Oh, it's not going. Sometimes it is quite hard, and just pull your hair through like that, and that is the curl that you get. Now, sometimes I will wrap it around my finger like that, and that's what it looks like. So super, super beautiful. I will just throw that to the back. Now, just so you know, the slower you go, the tighter the curl. The faster you go, the looser the curl. So again, clamp, pull it, and then just keep like twisting and pulling it. Now, another tip, when you get to the very end, you can also do it like this. So super easy. Wrap it back up while it's still clamped, and then it will look like that. So that is what you've got so far. Now, yeah, I don't have like a system where I do it in proper sections. I just grab my hair from wherever. And the amazing thing about curling it is it doesn't matter because it sort of all just blends in together. So let me just continue. So clamp and twist and just pull down. And then I just twirl it. And that's what it's looking like so far. So I'm just going to continue on really quick, and then when I get to the front, I'm going to stop just so I can show you properly. But yeah, see, sometimes I will wrap it back up. I don't know why I do that sometimes and not other times, but that's what it looks like. What you need to also be aware of is I like to go back, so my hair's going back, not forward. So with one side of your face, you're going to have to go this way, and then on the other side of your face, you're going to have to go the opposite way. So I'm so bad at explaining, so I hope just watching makes it a little bit easier for you to understand. So with this, grab your piece of hair. It's sort of a good idea to grab different sizes as well. Like in the end, it just really, it'll just work out if it's all different sizes. So clamp at the end, slowly start to turn. So basically it's at a full turn now, and you can hold your hair and just pull it through, and there is your curl. Like super simple, really, really quick. And like I said, if you just can't get that wrist movement, another good idea, so clamp and do like half a turn. So it's basically like that. Just go to the end of your hair and then just wrap it up and leave it for like maybe 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, depending on how thick of a piece you got. And that's what that type of curl will look like. But we will get onto the brushing out also. So again, clamp, do a bit of a turn, and then full turn. Yeah, if your hair doesn't slide through, just hold it, and there. So when I get to the front, so this is the front piece that I have left. This is when I will go and take a piece from the top, and then I will do the bottom separately, but everywhere else I will just grab wherever. I like to pull the hair back so it just goes in that direction, but same principle. And you don't have to flick it through your fingers. That's just, I don't know, something I've picked up. Now I move that to the back. Now with these front pieces, you definitely don't need as much time. So just a quick flick and just bring it through quickly and then wrap it. And so that side is done. What I I'll finish this side. So this is my fringe side, obviously. So I'll just brush it. So exactly the same technique. I'll pull it to one side, clamp, twist, and then turn. Super, super easy. So clamp, twist, and then this is the other way. Go to the end and then wrap it back up. So 3, 2, 1. And like, look how beautiful that comes out. And that is like super, super easy. So my fringe, I always pull it to the way that I want my hair to go. Turn. And then we'll just do it like this. So 3, 2, 1. There you go. So beautiful. And I don't know, I just like to always brush my fringe bits. And so here, turn. And then I like to style it the way I want it. So I go like that. Now the next step, I bring all the hair to the front, look in the mirror, and just check that I've got all the underneath bits, or if there's like little bits at the very back that I might want to recurl. It's always the case. There's always little bits that I just need to go over. Okay, so that's not too bad. So that is what you're left with, which will look like this. So really, like, I love this. Oh, there's a little bit here that I've missed. So yeah, just make sure, it is important to get all of the pieces that you want curled. And then at this point, it is very personal preference. You can leave your hair like this, add hairspray, you know, style it exactly the way you want it, or you can let it cool down that little bit and then you can brush it out. So I'm going to show you the difference. So yeah, I'm going to leave that to cool down, come back, and then show you what that looks like. So yeah, this is what I keep on. Okay, so I have let my hair pretty much cool down for maybe like 15-20 minutes. So the longer you leave this, like, the better, obviously. So it is cool, the cooler the better, basically. So again, this is what it looks like. There are a few pieces that I noticed aren't that well curled on the top, but again, this is what it looks like. So what I use is a comb like this, so a wide tooth comb. I go from the bottom and just like lightly brush through. So I always start underneath. And that's the difference. So I just feel like it really softens it and just makes it like a really nice, beautiful, bouncy curl. And that is the finished product. So I hope you found this helpful. If you tried this technique that I use, definitely leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.